how to register an Amazon seller account in the UAE and KSA, and what mistakes to avoid in order not to get rejected. The first step of becoming a seller on Amazon UAE and KSA is actually figuring out if you are even allowed to sell on these markets, and that is related to the countries. These are the countries that are allowed to register on Amazon UAE, and these are the countries that are allowed to register on Amazon KSA. So if you are a national of any of these countries, if you reside and have a residency permit in any of these countries, or if your business is located in any of these countries, then you will be able to become a seller on Amazon UAE or KSA. Now, before you start your registration process, I would suggest that you have a few things ready. First of all, you need a valid email address. You need a valid mobile phone number. You will be receiving the OTP, one-time password codes, on that mobile phone number. So make sure it's a mobile phone number that you use constantly, because it'll be very difficult to change it once you become a seller. And you will need to have a valid credit card or debit card. The good news is it doesn't need to be in your name, and it doesn't even need to be in your business name. It just needs to be valid and chargeable. And finally, you need to have your Amazon store name selected and picked out. Of course, you can change it at any time when you're selling, even before you start selling, but it's good to have a name picked out before you move forward. Go to the Amazon marketplace where you intend to sell, Amazon UAE or Amazon KSA, and then scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll find Sell on Amazon. Click on that and then click on Sign Up. Once you do that, you need to click Create an Amazon Seller Account, and then add your name, add your email address, and add your password. Next, you will need to read the terms of service of Amazon and then accept. The first thing that Amazon is going to request from you is the country where you are residing. Next, you need to select whether you're opening the account as an individual or as a privately owned company. If you intend to sell as an individual, then you will need to provide the details of your ID. You will need to provide a copy of that ID as well, and you will need to provide a document that verifies your identity and your address. The most commonly used document would be a bank statement. So you will need to provide a copy of that. If you decide to open and register as a business, then you will need to provide the details of your business license, a copy of that business license, and a copy of the shareholders of the business. Now is the right time for you to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and make sure you check out our website to learn how we can help you get started. As you progress in your application, you will be requested to add your store name, which you have already picked out. You will have to add your credit card or debit card details. The good news is that you can skip that and add the credit card, debit card details after you open your account and after it has been verified. You will also be asked what types of products you intend to sell, whether you have barcodes for these products, and whether you intend to sell via FBA, the fulfillment system that Amazon provides. These three things are mostly, and some other things also, are mostly based for statistical reasons, so they don't really make a difference whether you get your account opened or rejected. However, just answer to the best of your ability. Of course, then you will be prompted to upload all of the documents that are required from you, and then after you're done with everything, you will get a message telling you that now your application is being verified, and it will require 3 to 5 business days for them to let you know whether you've been accepted or whether you need to provide some additional documentation. Amazon in the Middle East, UAE and KSA are honestly the easiest marketplaces for you to start selling and for you to open a seller account. Just make sure that you have all of the documents and necessary information ready before you actually attempt to open the account, because it'll be difficult once you get rejected to just keep going with the same process. Let's talk about the selling plans that are available to you on Amazon.ae and Amazon.sa. Even though in general on Amazon you've got an individual selling plan as well as a professional selling plan. However, in the UAE and in KSA, currently there is only one plan, which is the professional plan. And it is the highest tier selling plan for Amazon sellers. And the good news is it is absolutely for free with no subscription fees currently for sellers. So when you register as a seller, you will automatically get a professional plan, which will allow you to sell wholesale or to sell private label, and it will allow you to also advertise, actually to do anything that you require in order to succeed. Now, some reasons why you might get your account rejected is that you're not providing the right documentation, or your documents are invalid, or there's something wrong with your documents. So everything related to the information and documents that you have provided, if it's not correct, then you will get rejected, or maybe even Amazon will request you to re-upload the documents again just so that they can confirm and double check. The second reason is if you have violated any of Amazon's seller policies and are trying to reopen an account, then you will definitely get rejected. So if you have an Amazon account anywhere in any market that has violated a policy or even has gotten suspended, do not attempt to open a new seller account. You need to fix the issue before proceeding and opening another seller account. So opening an Amazon seller account is a very, very easy process, and it shouldn't deter you from becoming a seller. And just in case you weren't aware, you can open a seller account and then use it a few months later. So you don't need to open one and then directly and immediately start selling. You do have a little bit of time. If you want to learn a little bit more about how you can sell products on Amazon, a little bit more about product research, all of that, you can find our free training and our free masterclass. The link is in the description box of this video and in the top comment. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.